Are you a coffee lover who enjoys preparing coffee quickly every morning without getting tired? Do you just like traditional methods of making coffee? And are you looking to buy a coffee maker within your budget? In today's video, I will present to you the 5 best coffee makers with good specifications and within your budget. So let's dive into explore these fantastic coffee makers. We will start our video with Calphalon Coffee Maker. Meet the Calphalon Coffee Maker, a 14-cup programmable machine with a sleek stainless steel design. Enjoy perfect brewing temperature, 195 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit, and even water distribution for optimal flavor. Customize your brew strength and batch size. The expertly crafted warming plate offers low, medium, or high heat settings. Fully programmable with brew later and auto-off timer selector features. Elevate your mornings with Calphalon. Now move on to Capresso Coffee Maker. Introducing the Capresso 5-cup mini drip coffee maker in sleek black and stainless steel. Its compact design makes it perfect for individuals or couples. Enjoy hassle-free brewing with the gold tone filter, eliminating the need for paper filters. Program your brew time for convenience, and keep your coffee warm for up to 2 hours with the hot plate feature. Pour yourself a cup mid-brew with the drip stop function. Please note, proper brewing relies on factors like grind size and coffee quantity. Refer to the user manual for optimal use. Elevate your coffee experience with Capresso. Now let's talk about Black Decker Coffee Maker. Meet the Black Plus Decker 12-cup digital coffee maker in sleek black. Enjoy hassle-free mornings with quick-touch programming, allowing you to wake up to a fresh pot of coffee. Its digital controls with rubberized buttons provide easy operation, displaying the clock, brew time, and programming options. Sneak a cup feature lets you pour a cup mid-brew without spills. For safety, it features a 2-hour auto shut-off. Cleanup is a breeze with the removable, dishwasher-safe filter basket compatible with paper filters. Elevate your coffee routine with Black Decker. Next up is Mixpresso Coffee Maker. Introducing the Mixpresso 12-cup drip coffee maker in sleek black. Enjoy effortless brewing with the illuminated one-touch on-off switch and reusable basket filter, perfect for your choice of coffee grounds. Its compact design fits anywhere, with dimensions of 9 by 7 by 12 inches and a 950W automatic system. Keep your coffee warm with a non-stick carafe plate. The transparent water window prevents overflow, while the carafe brews up to 12 cups at a time. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with our 1-year warranty. Elevate your coffee experience with Mixpresso. Last coffee maker in our list is Hamilton Beach. Introducing the Hamilton Beach 2-way 12-cup programmable drip coffee maker and single-serve machine with a versatile design to brew your coffee just the way you like it. Whether you prefer a single cup or a full pot, this coffee maker has you covered. Enjoy the convenience of brewing with your favorite ground coffee using the included mesh scoop, eliminating the need for separate measuring tools. Program your brewing time up to 24 hours in advance for wake-up-ready coffee. With a 2-hour automatic shut-off feature, you can have peace of mind knowing your coffee maker turns off automatically. Please note, this coffee maker does not use K-cup asterisk pods. Elevate your coffee experience with Hamilton Beach. We've reached the end of this video. If you found these coffee makers intriguing and helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more exciting content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your support means the world to me. Thank you for watching.